Okay, so now when our next piece goes on, I've got caulking behind there, so I don't have to worry about caulking the verticals. However, I've only got like an inch, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut those steps back a little bit so I can get back in there a little further. That looks a little better. So that's where I'm gonna be, right there. Oh, now, very important thing, you wanna over bend the front of it so that as it goes into the wall, it pulls that tight. If it's just at a 90 or worse, less or more than a 90, it's gonna be floppy. You want it to be nice and tight. As you drive it in, it actually goes tighter to the wall. Nice and snug right there. Beautiful. I really enjoy trying to get it behind the shingles, and then it's guaranteed to lay flat against the wall. So I've got a small gap they left me, which is just perfect for sliding that flashing in behind it. And since my angle is spot on, it runs right behind those shingles all the way up, which is super nice.